Hi, I'm Emily. Um, and all I really wanted to ever do was help people, and I'm not sure how to do that. My content's been at a standstill because I don't know what I'm doing. I used to post about disability awareness, but one, that didn't go anywhere, and two, I don't want that to be my whole personality anymore. And now I don't know what to post. But I love posting, and I love creating, and I love all of that. I post on my German account, but I have no idea what to post on my English. And it's upsetting to me almost, because I've been doing this since 2021. And all I've ever really wanted to do was help people. And I don't really care how I do that. Either to help people feel less alone, help people smile a bit more, help people through their day, whatever that entails. And I don't know what to do. Any ideas? I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye. See you soon. Your sister.